Have you ever heard the saying, a goldfish has a 3-second memory? It's a common misconception that goldfish have terrible memories, but is it really true? In this video, we'll explore the truth behind the goldfish memory myth and learn about the amazing cognitive abilities of these aquatic creatures. Imagine yourself as a goldfish swimming in a tank. You're bored, so you start to explore your surroundings. You notice a small hole in the bottom of the tank. You swim through the hole and find yourself in a new world. You see all sorts of interesting things, such as colorful plants and other fish. You even see a human sitting on the edge of the tank. The human is looking at you, and you can tell that it's curious about you. You swim up to the human and let it pet you. The human is gentle, and you enjoy the feeling of its hand on your soft scales. You spend the rest of the day exploring this new world. You learn a lot about the human and its environment. You also learn a lot about yourself, and you realize that you're more intelligent and curious than you thought you were. At the end of the day, you swim back through the hole in the bottom of the tank and return to your own world. You're tired, but you're also happy. You've learned a lot today, and you're excited to explore more of the world around you. The myth of the goldfish memory is thought to have originated in the early 1900s, when a psychologist named Richard Yerkes conducted a series of experiments on goldfish. In one experiment, Yerkes trained goldfish to associate a light with food. Once it were trained, Yerkes would turn off the light and wait for the goldfish to forget about the food. He found that the goldfish would typically forget about the food after about 10 seconds. However, Yerkes' experiments were later shown to be flawed. He used a very small sample size of goldfish, and he didn't control for other factors that could have affected the results of his experiments, such as hunger and stress. The truth about goldfish memory. In recent years, scientists have conducted more rigorous studies on goldfish memory, and they have found that goldfish have much longer memories than previously thought. For example, one study found that goldfish can remember a food source for up to 5 months. Goldfish are also capable of learning complex tasks. For example, they can be trained to solve mazes and to recognize different shapes and colors. Here are a few interesting facts about goldfish cognition. Goldfish can recognize their owners and other familiar individuals. It can remember the location of food sources and other important places in their environment. It can learn to avoid predators and other dangers. Goldfish can even use tools, such as sticks, to reach food or to solve puzzles. So, there you have it. Goldfish are not forgetful creatures. In fact, they have quite impressive cognitive abilities. So next time you see a goldfish, remember that it's more than just a pretty fish. It's also a smart and intelligent creature. Bonus facts. Goldfish can live for up to 25 years. They are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. They are very social creatures and enjoy living in groups. Goldfish are an important part of the ecosystem and help to control populations of algae and other small aquatic creatures. In conclusion, goldfish are amazing creatures with incredible cognitive abilities. They are more than just pretty fish. They are also intelligent and curious creatures. So next time you see a goldfish, take a moment to appreciate its intelligence and its unique perspective on the world. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with us. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We always love hearing from you, so please leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below.